Install Lyne curtain rod, double and wall mount. Rod installation kit. Installation tools. Preparation. Insert the connector into one rod section. Align the second section and push firmly to create one complete rod. Step 1. Mark the mounting position on the wall. Unscrew the metal base plate from the bracket for mounting. Mark the punch position for the brackets. Step 2. Punch holes for mounting. Step 3. Insert the expansion screws. Step 4. Install the mounting brackets on the wall. Rotate and lock the bracket onto the mounted base. Unscrew and turn the rod holder upward. Lock it with the hex key. Step 5. Install the rings and finials. Slide end rings onto both ends, then the remaining rings. Attach finials on both ends and tighten with the hex key. Last step, secure the rod. Place the rod in with the silent strip facing up. Tighten with the hex key.